Namaskar. My name is Arya Thube and you are watching School Tak News channel live from RMDI School campus. Today we are going to have podcast with our school manager Sri Subodh Jaju sir. I would like to introduce reporters from class 6C.
My name is Arya. My name is Zinia. My name is Jannavi.
My name is Viraj.
Sir, could you please tell us what the Maha Fun Fair is all about?
देखिए RMDS फन फेयर इज ऑल अबाउट टू अंडरस्टैंडिंग द बिजनेस एंड पुशिंग ऑल यू स्टूडेंट्स टुवर्ड्स द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. So usually other schools also organize fun fairs, but their fun fair is more about fun only and giving a chance to fun. But here this RMDS Maha Fun Fair is purely organized by you all students only out of your money, because as you know that under Student Smart we are having a business separately which you people are running, and out of that you have invested lakhs of rupees into this Maha Fun Fair and you are only going to do business. And here entire business management, event management, exchange, banking, finance, as well as how to deal and how to do marketing, that all you students are doing. So this Maha Fun Fair is all about learning only. Fine. So this is a very speciality of this school.
Sir, what is the main idea or purpose behind organizing this fun fair?
Main idea and purpose is to teach all students with hands-on learning and experience that how to be an entrepreneur and how to manage the events, as well as how to deal in market, not just running behind jobs or opportunities. You all need to learn how to create the opportunities.
If you want to choose a stall or a game, which one do you choose and why?
If you are asking about the best stall out of this fun fair,
Stall or a game? Any stall or a game?
any stall or game, I would like to choose the stall of Gau Mata. So that is like it's a Ekadashi also. Gau grass is a very good and holy thing, is considered into our culture. So the stall of feeding the grass to Gau Mata, that I will choose.
Sir, how do you feel seeing students very excited and active for the fun fair?
This is very nice feeling that students and even parents and all staff, they are enthusiastically participating into this fun fair. And this is not a normal fun fair, this is a Maha Fun Fair. You can see the grand arrangements of this fun fair. So I really feel very nice and happy.
What kind of stalls or activities can students and parents do this year?
Activities, there are over 10 kind of games activity. You can see that this is RMDS Ka Arjun, then Gol Goa by the school. There is a game zone by the students. Students have also arranged stalls for like for games, food, snacks. Commercial stalls are there, even health stalls are there. Even banking people, they have also came to participate into this. And the most important thing is that we are having Gau Mata stall. You must have seen. So there is a holy belief that if you will be feeding the grass to the Gau Mata on the day of Ekadashi, that will be giving you much peace. And like it's a very holy thing. So all such kind of games and stalls we have kept. Even there are so many competitions, on the spot competitions are going on, and attractive prizes we have kept for the students.
How are students and teachers organized the event?
Teachers actually in the role of mentorship only. Students have organized. I have been as a management provided the facilities and given a direction as a mentor of the Student Smart.
Can you share some behind-the-screen efforts that was the planning part of the fun fair?
Behind the screen there were so many things happened, and the most important thing is that when I had told that this fun fair will be organized by students only and school is not going to invest a single rupee. So first of all, the students, they came, they were not ready, or they were not believing that, and even they were not prepared how to do this all. Then I informed them that out of Student Smart they are having some fund in their hands. Then out of that fund we planned the budget. After budget, when we came to know that there is a deficient amount in the prima facie planning, so then we reached to Indian Overseas Bank Indian Overseas Bank granted us 50,000 as a partnership and a loan amount. So apart from that, we collected amount from the parents as well as a form of the rent of the stall. Then we charge rupees 20 for the entry, for entry passes. When in the beginning parents were not happy कि 20 rupees क्यों देना है, because ये stall है, and students were also telling same thing. But when we discussed the budget, that time they understood that the entry pass is necessary to reduce the losses. And I am sure that students are going to either gain profit or at least this will be break even. They will not suffer losses.
Sir, what challenges did the school face while planning this big event?
The first challenge was availability of these kind of gazebos and the stalls, because the availability of gazebo in huge numbers, somewhere around over 50 gazebos we wanted. So the date was not matching, and the date which we got, that was the same date of our open house. So first of all, we had to postpone the date of open house. Other than that, second challenge was that parents were not accepting the entry charges of rupees 20. So they were not happy, and even students were also telling कि ये कैसे लगाएंगे सर, कैसे करेंगे. But जब हमने budget discuss किया, that time students came to know कि नहीं loss जा रहा है, so entry charges are important. Even students were forcing us to charge the parking fee. लेकिन हमने बोला parking का तो भी मत लो, नहीं तो parent हमको ही गाली देगा. So these like understanding, few parents were not happy कि open house क्यों आगे किया. We convinced them what are the reasons and what are the unavoidable things. So these are the general challenges we face.
How do you ensure that the fun fair is safe and well managed?
First of all, we arrange stalls in such a way where PowerPoints or gas cylinder, if someone is bringing, we have made a separate arrangement for them. It's just open to air. If you can just show that, cameraman. Here we have kept all such kind of stalls which are having gas cylinders or the high voltage power points. So ये बिल्डिंग के पास में या बाकी सब लोगों के पास में नहीं है, तो ये सेफ्टी का एक हमने पहले रखा है. अदर देन दैट सेकंड चीज़ ये थी कि जो इन एंड आउट्स हैं, तो इन एंड आउट को इस तरह से बनाया कि बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउडी ना हो. जैसे यू कैन सी फूड स्टॉल्स अगर इधर रखे तो एक पूरा सी बनाया है और बीच में बहुत सारा स्पेस रखा है. इवन लोग आराम से बैठकर खा पी सके तो उनको अलग से स्टूल्स भी हमने दिए हैं. तो इससे क्या होगा कि क्राउडी सिचुएशन नहीं होकर सब लोग सेफली मूव कर पाएंगे. सो वी हैव मेड सच काइंड ऑफ अरेंजमेंट्स.
In what ways the Maha Fun Fair is related to school or parents?
Look, Maha Fun Fair is not part of just an entertainment or event. Maha Fun Fair is part of the students learning out of Student Smart project. So this is a financial management. Financial literacy everybody is talking about, but it's a very small thing. Whereas management is actual thing which students need to learn. Here students have understood how to earn, how to sell, how to manage, how to budget, how to execute, how to manage the human resource also and manpower. Students are only here the volunteers. They are only planning the stalls. They are only planning the parking, even entry gate and overall financial things.
We have gained a lot of knowledge about the fun fair. Keep watching School Tak News channel. Namaskar.